Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to use Sage account perfect for beginners who are just getting started with managing their business finances. Sage is a powerful and reliable accounting tool whether you need payroll, HR management or just a simple way to track your income and expenses. Sage offers flexible plans for all types of businesses. Let's get started with the basic and set up your Sage account. So to begin, you have to go to the Sage accounting website, but before that make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So now you have to go to this website, Sage. This is the Sage official website. You will see several countries here. Now you have to choose your country. For example, I'm going to choose United States. So after then you have to accept all cookies. Now you can explore their accounting solutions here, but before that let me show you how you can log in. At the top right corner here you can see the text of login. You just simply have to tap onto it. So there is a good news that Sage gives you first 3 months for free, so you can explore without being charged. So now you have to log into your Sage product, like log in using your product from here. So let's explore Sage a little bit. So let's review this one. Wait until the page is fully loaded. Now you have to enter your business address, email address first. So go to your, let me go to my Gmail and copy the address here. Okay, now let me copy this address. Then tap continue. Now Sage will ask you to enter your first name, last name, password, and you have to confirm your password. So for example, I'm gonna choose a random password like this. Okay, let me enter my password first. So I have entered my password. Let me confirm my password. Wait until the confirmation is completed. Wait, let me enter it again. Okay, as it is done, now tap on to sign up. So after completing your login phrase, you will be taken to Sage's Business Cloud dashboard. Okay, now Sage is asking for me to verify my Gmail address. So let me verify my Gmail address. Until then, wait. So as you can see, I have completed my verification. Now it is asking me to whether I want two-factor authentication or not. I'll just skip this part. So if you want extra security, you can enable it, but right now I'm just gonna skip it for now. Okay, so tap on not right now. Let's choose my location. Now you can see Sage's offers like Sage accounting with AI or Sage payroll. It costs. Let's explore it. Okay. As you can see, it offers 3 months free on Sage accounting. You just have to tap on to get 3 months for free, and then you can tap on to get 3 months for free. Okay, but here you can see their packages. The basic package is 15 pounds. So you can check out the pricings from here. So now let's talk about after logging in what you should do. So you'll be taken to Sage Business Cloud dashboard, or let's just simply search for Sage Business Cloud dashboard. This is where you will find all the finances to manage, from creating invoices to tracking cash flow. Yes. Next, you have to enter your first name and last name to continue, as I just did before the when the login phrase was continuing, like when I was logging in. Now you can customize your settings. Also, you can add your business information. You can check it with medium business from here. You can go with the Sage Interact with AI. You can go with Sage People or Sage X-Ray, but I will recommend you to go with the AI one because AI is really powerful. Now let's go to some solutions like construction. Let's explore their page. Let's take a product tour. Okay, so it has Sage Accounting or Sage Interact. You can get started with it if you are on construction accounting software that has CIS, MTD and domestic VAT reverse charge compliance built in. You can say hello to stress-free accounting for your construction and business. Now let's see what is Sage Interact. Sage Interact Construction is native cloud accounting software that gives contractors and real estate developers the control to manage financials and operations with ease. Now choose the best one for according to your need, and then you have to tap on that. So now you can request for pricing. Also, you can take a product tour. So if you request for pricing, you have to enter your email address, your first name, your last name, and your company or organization's name. Then you have to tap next and follow all the steps which is needed. So let's take a product tour, and if you have to log in for that. Okay, if you want, you can connect with Sage customer service. The number is right here, 080092300340. This one you can visit it if you want. So that was pretty much it about Sage. You can check out their resources from here. Just go to Sage's official website, this one, and you can play around and see all of their website services. And if you are a regular person who use really accounting, I mean who is connected to accounting or any other construction based business, finance based business, you can just use Sage, because Sage is a really trusted and powerful website which helps influencers, business owners, also accountants to keep their businesses safe and easily tracked. So that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment. I will be happy to help. Till then, take care. Goodbye.